Okay, so today we're going to look at a common mistake I see in data science and machine learning, which is that thinking standardization will give you a Gaussian or normal curve. And so just in case you don't know, this is what a Gaussian distribution looks like. And so my claim is standardization does not give you this distribution. Okay, so we'll begin this demo with downloading the Titanic dataset. So thank you to this person who has provided this dataset on their GitHub. So we'll do df equals pd.readcsv. And we'll do a df.head so we know what the data looks like. Okay, so there's some categorical columns: passenger ID, survived, P class, name, sex. We'll do age. So let's do age, which is probably not normally distributed. Okay, so let's look at the age column, histogram. Okay, so that's the histogram for age. Clearly, it's not normally distributed. So there's a few values here, many values here, and then it drops off like that as you get into the older ages. Okay, so now let's standardize this. So how do we do that? We need the mean and the standard deviation. So we'll set the mean to m, so that'll be df age mean, and we'll just print it out so we know what it is as well. Okay, so the mean age is about 30 years old, and the standard deviation s is std, and s is about 14.5 years. Okay, and so the standardized data would be, we'll call it z. This is df age minus m divided by s. Okay, and we can look at the values to see what we got. And so my claim is that the distribution of this is exactly the same as the original. Okay, so let's look. Okay, so as you can see, the distribution of z is exactly the same as the distribution of the original variable. We've not changed the distribution by doing standardization. We have changed the values, but the distribution is the same. Okay, so this is an important lesson in probability. Shifting a value, so subtracting a value by m, does not change the shape of the distribution. Dividing by a constant, s, also does not change the shape of a distribution.